Hello everyone, I welcome you to yet another section of the Forex Beginners course, and in this section I'm going to be teaching you how to use your MT4, your MetaTrader 4. So I decided to record this on phone because you can only use your MetaTrader 4 on your phone and not on your system. So I'm going to be showing you how you can navigate your way through it now. Also, there is another one called MetaTrader 5 that you can use, but mostly it is MetaTrader 4 that is common and mostly used. So for any broker, you have an option to always use MetaTrader 4. So that is why I've chosen to give you a tutorial on how to use MetaTrader 4 and how to go about it. So I'll be showing you how to open a demo and real account, the time frames, how you can navigate the time frames, indicators and some tools on it, how you can add more pairs, how you can set your stop loss and take profits, how you can choose the other type you want, and how you can close any trade and modify any trade you want. When you are using TradingView, you are using it for analysis mainly. So MT4 is where you will be placing your trade after you have done your analysis on TradingView. So that is why this is also very important. So let's get into it. The first one here is opening a demo and real account. If you want to open an account on MT4, what you are going to do is click on the three line at the top left corner. I'll mark it out now. So the top left corner here, that is where you are going to click to open a demo account. So when you click it, you see something like this. Then you click on this end, manage account here. When you click on manage account, then you click on the plus sign here. This plus sign, it's an indication that you want to open or add a new account. So when you click it, it will give you two options: open a demo account, log into an existing account. When you open an account with your broker, they are going to give you your login details, your password, and what you use to your login ID. So if you click on login existing account, you are going to choose the broker. Let us choose Xness as an example. So in this login section, that is where you are going to put your login ID, and in the password section here, that is where you are going to put your password. So when you are done with it, then you come to the bottom here and click on sign in here. So I've already circled it. When you come down, you click on sign in after you must have entered your login ID and your password. So let's go back. But to open a demo account, you are going to click on this open a demo account. A demo account is what you can use to practice if you don't have a real account. But like I've said before, you shouldn't use a demo account for too long. You have to open a live account once you are done practicing and perfecting your craft. So open a demo account. So they are going to ask you to find a broker. Here there is MetaQuote demo. You can open with MetaQuote demo. It is like a default broker. So click on it. This is the details of the account, and deposit is 100,000 USD. You can always change it by clicking on the amount, and then it will bring you 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, and you can click on anyone you want. Let us click on 3,000. You can see the balance has changed here. The deposit has changed to 3,000 USD. So that is how you can create a demo account. Then you come down here where I circled and click on create account. So create, done. Then a new account has been created. You can see they already brought out the pairs: EUR USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, and the likes. So that is how you can create a demo account. Let us try to create another account. We are going to come to the top left corner here and then click on manage account here that I've circled. So manage account. Then you click on the plus sign at the top right corner. Then you click on open a demo account. So let us find another broker. Let us try FXCM. So click on the first one, create an account. So another account created. So it is that simple, guys. That's how to create a demo account. So now we have two accounts that we newly created. If you want to check all of them, you can also click on the top left corner and then click on one of the accounts. When you click on it, it will bring out all the accounts you have. You can see that they are all demo accounts. This one is for XNES, this one is for MetaQuotes, and this one is for FXCM. So you can click on any one you like. So let us click on XNES here, that is at the bottom part. So let us click on that. So when you click on it, then you click on sign in. Sign in here. Then you click on the chart. It will bring you to the chart. Then it means you are already using the XNet account. So this is the chart. And if you want to go back to seeing the PS, you can click on the first button here at the bottom left corner. So when you click on it, it will take you back to the PS that we have, and you can select any of them. So that is it, guys. That is how to open a demo and a real account. Now if you want to check for time frame indicators and some tools, you can go to the chart here, the second button here at the bottom left corner. So if you click on that, the one I circled, click on it, it will take you to the chart. Then you can just tap the chart anywhere on the chart, just tap it. So you can see the time frames. It brought out various time frames. This is M1, which is 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame here. Then this is 5 minutes time frame. Tap the chart. Then this is 5 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Then the H4 is 4 hour time frame. The D1 is daily time frame. The W1 is weekly time frame, and the MN is monthly time frame. Now this plus sign that I circled here, if you click on it, it will bring out a cross line, vertical and horizontal. Then this is the line that you can use to pan the chart. You can use it to check for a particular price level or a particular date level. So that is the purpose of the plus sign on the chart. Then if you want it to go away, then you click on it again. You click on the plus button, then it is gone. Then there's the next button here that looks like an F. If you click it, that is where you are going to see your oscillator, your various indicators that you can use. We have average true range here, bear power, bull power, commodity channel index, the market, MACD, momentum, moving average, oscillator, etc. So those are some of the indicators that you can use. Then if you want to go back, you come to the top left corner here and click it. Then you are back to the chart. So to access some indicators, you are going to click on this F button here that is next to the plus sign. Then the next button after the F, like the dollar sign here, if you click on it, then it will bring out the currency pairs that you have on watch. So can you see AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD? So all the pairs are already there. Then the next button after it is the time frame. It's for time frame. So instead of clicking on the chart, you can click on it directly and it will give you all the time frames that you have. So let us click on one of the time frames, which is H1 here, and let's see what we get. So H1, can you see it takes us directly to the 1 hour time frame. Then the next button, which is the plus button here, let me circle it for you to see. At the top right corner there, that is where you are going to be placing your trades. That is where we are going to be placing your trades. So let us click it. Can you see this page that we are on? This is where we after you complete your analysis on trading view and you want to place a trade on MetaTrader 4, this is where you come to. So there are a lot of things here and I'll be explaining them one by one. The first one here is market execution. So there are various other types that we have. I'll be explaining them all now. So if you click on this market execution, it means if you leave it at market execution, it means you want to place that trade. You want your broker to trigger your order using the present market price, using the current market price. But if you don't want that, you can click on it and then we have buy limits, we have sell limits, we have buy stop, and we also have sell stop. I'll be explaining what each and every one of them means very soon. Let's go to the rest. So this part here, so this part here where you have 1.00, you can always increase it here. By the right side you can see plus 0.01 and by the left you can see minus 0.01 also. But if you don't want to go through that stress, you can just click on it and then edit. You can see I added 5 and it became 51.00. You can also decide to clear it all and maybe enter 0.01 or you can clear it again and enter maybe 0.10. So that is it. And then if you check this that I just circled, it stands for bid and ask price. You know, in the previous sections I already explained what bid price is and what ask price is. So I said bid price is the price that the buyers are willing to buy and ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell to you. And if you place a buy order, then they will activate it for you using the ask price. If you place a sell order, since you are the seller, they will activate it for you using the bid price. I hope you didn't forget. Now let's go to the next one. So the next one I'll be showing you is the stop loss and take profit. So by the left side here, this place I circled, that is where you are going to be entering your stop loss. You know, after you place a trade, I told you about the importance of placing a stop loss. So this part is where you are going to be placing your stop loss, this red part here. You can see underneath it, the line underneath it is red. So that is where you are going to be placing your stop loss. And then the other one here, which has a green line underneath it, that is where you are going to be entering your take profit value. So once you are done with your analysis on trading view and you come to MT4, so this is where you are going to be entering your take profit value. And then here, the next one beside it is where you are going to be entering your stop loss value. So I hope you get it now. Then down here you can see the sell by market and buy by market, the two places I circled. So if you want to sell, you click on the sell, and if you want to buy, you click on the buy. I hope you are getting this. So here I forgot to mention, this is your lot size, the place I circled where you can edit. It is where you enter your whatever lot size you are going to use, and the lot size you are going to be using, it depends on your account size. So, and I've already told you that you are going to be risking 1% per trade. That is what is appropriate for you to risk. Don't risk more than 1% per trade. So your lot size will depend on the amount you are going to risk. So that is where you enter your lot size. So whatever lot size you are going to use, that is where you are entering it. Now let me show you some live examples. So if you go to BTC USD here, let us open the chart. So if you want to place a new trade, this is where you come. The top right corner here that has the plus button, so that is where you come. So let us click it. So let us assume we are about to buy BTC. So if you want to buy BTC, it means you're expecting BTC to go upward. So it means you are going to set your stop loss here that I circled and your take profit here. So let me show you an example. So the current price of BTC is 16,829.45 for the bid price and 16,837.98 for the ask price. You can see it is constantly changing. That is because the market is opened and BTC, the price is currently going up and down. So once you are done with your analysis, and let's say you want to place a trade, for example, and you want to buy, like I've said, so it means your stop loss will be below a particular structure and your take profit target will be at a particular high. So um let us assume your take profit, you set it at let's say 17,000. So you can see how I entered it. You just click on the take profit area and then enter 17,000. If you want to add a decimal place, you can say maybe 17,000.89. So you click on it. Then the stop loss has to be lower than the current value to for it to be valid, because it is going to be under a particular structure. So the stop loss, let us use 16,500 as an example. So you buy, you can see we have placed our order already and the trade is currently running. So our lot size is 1.00 and we just bought BTC. So this is the present chart. Let us go to the H4 time frame. So you can see here, this part that I circled, this is the take profit area. It means if BTC hits that area, then it is going to take me out in profit. It is going to close my trade in profit. Now this part, the other part that I circled, is the stop loss area. It means if BTC hits that area, then I am going to be taking out in a loss. So that is your stop loss area, and that place is going to protect you also from blowing your account. So you have to make sure you always set your stop loss appropriately, and this place is the take profit area. So that is how to use the instant market order. So let's go back. If you want to cancel this particular order, you can come here, this place that I circled, click on it. You can see price is still moving, and if you want to close it, you just swipe it to the left. When you swipe it to the left, then you click on this button, the first button here, you click on it. If you click on it, you can see close with loss minus 7.55. Then you click on it, order is closed. So that is how you close your order manually. If you don't want to wait for your take profit, that is how you close the order. So let me show you another type of market order. So we have, okay, I've already showed you a particular buy. So let us use sell limits now. Sell limits. So in this sell limit, it means you want BTC to go, you expect BTC to go up to a particular price area, and when it goes up to that particular price area, then it will come back down. That is sell limit. It means if it taps that particular price that you predicted, once it taps it, then it will trigger your order, and once it triggers the order, then you expect it to sell. So how do you do this? So you see this particular area, that is where you enter the particular price value that you want it to trigger. So let us enter a particular value. It means BTC is currently at 16,827. So let us use 16,000. What value can we use? It is currently at 16,826. So let us use 17,000 as our value. It means we are expecting BTC to tap 17,000 before it sells. So then let us set our stop loss and take profit. So our stop loss will be above 17,000. It will be above 17,000 since we are expecting it to sell. So let us use 17,500 as our stop loss and our take profit. Since we are selling, then we are expecting BTC to go downward. So let us use 12,000 as our take profit. So you place your order here in this particular place. You click on place and your order will be placed. So place. So our order is opened. So let's go to the chart. So if you also want to go to the chart, you can swipe it again to the right and click on this chart icon at the last button. So let us click on it. So this is the chart. So you can see the sell limit here. This is the sell limit. It means if BTC reaches this particular point, then it will start selling. Let me recap. It means if BTC reaches this point, then it will start, you expect it to start selling. That is what you mean by a sell limit. And this is our stop loss area, an area where if price hits, it will take it out in a loss. So this is our take profit area down here at 12,000. So that is our take profit area, an area where you want BTC to take it out in profit. So that is how to use the limit order. So now you know how to use the market execution, you know how to use the limit order. So in sell limit, it means you expect price to buy a little bit and tap into your particular point of interest before selling. That is how to use buy limit. Now we are going to use sell limit. So the opposite is for buy limit. When you are using a buy limit, it means you expect price to first of all sell to a particular price value before buying. So now let us go to stop order, which is buy stop and sell stop. So let us use buy stop for example. When you are using buy stop, it means you expect price to trigger you. You expect your broker to trigger you when the market is buying and then it reaches a particular point. So let's say, for example, BTC is at the current market price of 16,831. So if you place a buy stop order, then you can place it at a particular point above it, where if BTC taps it, then you expect it to keep buying. So this is where you enter the price value for your order. So let us enter a particular value. So 16,830 is the current value. So let us enter 16,900. So it means you expect BTC to, when it hits 16,900, then your broker will trigger your order for a buy. So let us set our stop loss here. So your stop loss will be under it. We can use 15,000 as our stop loss, and your take profit, since you are buying, then your take profit will be at a higher place. So your take profit, let us use a value that is higher than 16,000. So we can use 17,000 as our take profit. Then you place your trade by clicking on the place button down here. So your order is opened. That is how to place a buy stop. So you can see that the orders have not been triggered. It is because the sell limit we placed before, the price have not tapped the particular place we want it to tap. So that is why it is still opened. And if you want to close it, you can just swipe it to the left and click on this mark button here. So when you click on the button, it will close your order. So you can see delete order BTC sell limits. Then you click on delete here. So it is gone. So our buy stop order, let us check the chart. Swipe it to the left and then click on the chart button. So when you check it, so this is your buy stop order. So what this is saying is that at this particular point, this green line, I hope you are seeing it. Once BTC hits that price, then your broker will trigger your order. So once your broker triggers your order, then you are in the trade already, and this is your take profit area. This area with TP is your take profit area. and down here is your stop loss area. I hope you can see it. Down here is your stop loss area. So those are the type of market orders that we have. I hope you get it now. And if you are using market execution, it means you are asking your broker to take you into the trade at that particular current price. So what you just have to do is set your lot size, which is this place. You can choose it, choose whatever value you want depending on your calculated risk, and then your stop loss will be placed here, and then your take profit will be placed here. I hope you understand what this means now. So let, for example, this BTC, let us place another order. Let us place a sell order. If I'm going to sell this at the particular market price, then you can enter your stop loss and take profits directly. So my stop loss, since I want to sell, it will be above the current market price. So let me use 15,000. No, I want to sell, so my stop loss will be above. Yes, so let me use 17,000 as my stop loss, and then take profit. Since I am selling, then my take profit will be at a lower level because I expect BTC to sell, I expect it to drop, I expect it to be bearish. So what value can we use for our take profit value? It has to be a value that is lower than the current market price. So let us use 15,000, then sell. So your order is opened. It is that simple, guys. You can see that with current market price, the execution limit, current market price execution, it takes you straight into the trade. So that is current market price for you. So you can see that the trade is currently running. Now if you want to delete the order you have set before, or you want to modify it, all you have to do is swipe right. If you want to edit anything, you can always come to this edit button, this pen tool here at the middle. So once you click it, you can edit the order however you want. So let us click it and edit this. So you can see that it's, we still have the price, we have the stop loss and the take profit. So you can edit the take profit. Let us use 19,000 as an example. So then you click on modify down here. So once you click on modify, then it will change your order. It means it has, you have edited your order. If you want to change the stop loss also, you can also change it. And if you want to delete the order completely, all you have to do is swipe left and then click on the first button here and then delete your order. BTC2, if you want to close the order, just swipe left and then click on the button and then close like this. Now don't mind the loss. I'm only using this because I'm giving you an example. I'm sure that whenever you are trading, and you must have done your analysis very well, so your trade will almost always be in profit if you do your analysis very well. So guys, that is how to use MetaTrader 4. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next section.